So today we're going to be making this pork stir fry, Chinese pork stir fry. I'm using pork loin, some vegetables in there, some other lovely bits of goodness. It's really, really simple to make this is. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started on this one here. So there's my pork. Now I've got 500 grams or about a pound of pork loin. So it's a nice kind of lean cut there. You could use belly pork if you want, but I find this a bit nicer. 1 onion sliced, cabbage, white cabbage, red bell peppers. There's 1 bell pepper there. 1 cup of green onions. Ginger. There's a nice kind of 2 inches of ginger there cut, or maybe 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon of garlic. Optional red chili, which I've just split. I'm not going to chop it up, I'm going to put it in whole, but I've just split it down the side there. And then we've got fish sauce, 2 teaspoons. Sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce and soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce, by the way. They're about equal amounts. There you've got 2 tablespoons, roughly. Let's get to the cooker, get this cooked off really quickly. It's beautiful. So you're going to need a wok or a frying pan. I've got my wok here. In there, I've got some sunflower oil. Now we're going to be adding the sesame oil a bit later. I don't want to start cooking with it because it burns off. So we're heating that up. We're going to drop in our ginger, which I've cut into nice sticks, about 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of the garlic. And then we're going to drop in our pork, 500 grams, or about a pound of pork loin. So you can hear that we're on a high heat, and we're going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. So just 3 or 4 minutes there. We're now going to drop in our sliced onion. I'm going to drop in that optional chili. Like I said, I've just split it. Black pepper. Now we're not going to be adding any salt to this because we've got fish sauce, soy and oyster sauce. You've definitely got enough salt in those. Another 3 minutes. Again, keep it nice and high, the heat, maximum heat. Stirring away. See you then. Fantastic stuff. Next up, we're going to drop in our white cabbage and our bell peppers. Now that's what I'm using, but you could be using some carrots, celery, mushrooms, up to you. Or some other vegetables, of course, that you like. And again, 3 more minutes. High heat, keep it moving. We're really nearly done already. So we're at the last stage. Let's drop in a nice amount of green onions. Then we're going to drop in fish sauce, tiny amount, very, very strong. The sesame oil, nice nutty flavor that's going to give us. The soy, I'm using a light soy. And equal parts of oyster sauce. A little dash of water. 4 more minutes. Keep it on this high heat. Once again, this is complete. I'll see you at the table. And there you have it. Took no time at all. Really super delicious. Nice, tender, beautiful pork stir fry. Some lovely vegetables. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.